This is September 21st, 2015. Rained for about 15 or 20 minutes, and half our yard's flooded. All the way down out the front. All this back here. Our neighbor's yard. Basically what it's doing is it's cutting over the corner of their lot, coming all the way through their backyard, going up to the front yard, cutting through our front yard, and going out into the street. Instead of going through the drainage ditch that runs along the back of the property, comes up over here, up underneath here, it runs through. Can't see it very well. Runs through here, underneath the lot here, to the opposite corner, and from there it runs out to the street. It's not going through there. It's coming up over the back of the neighbor's lot. And short-circuiting this drainage ditch right here. It looks like it ought to be big enough, but it's not. It's coming up over their fence over here. You see all this water over here coming from the highway or from whatever's lots over there or whatever, coming through here. You can see right there where it's going over the fence or over the edge of the lot. It goes into their yard. It floods out their little garage here. It floods out the garage that's connected to their house. They can't deal with this every time it rains. It rained for 15 minutes and they've got a flooded garage. They've got to clean it out every time. You can see it's running through here. This is the low spot. It goes through. Like I said, it runs through their backyard, into the corner of ours, and out to the front yard, all the way through our yard, and into the street. Something's got to be done about this. See, it looks real deep down here, but the edge of the corner of their lot's too low. This drain's not cutting it. It's moving water, but not fast enough. I'll bring you back out to the front yard. I don't know if the first video cut it. This is unacceptable. Every time it rains, this happens. It rained for about 15 minutes, and this is what we're dealing with. This is after A lot of the water has already drained down. You can still see it's flooded in the yard. It's washing away all this dirt. It's land erosion. It's property devaluation. My neighbor says it's been doing this for the last 25 years at least. And nobody's helped them. Look at this. Unacceptable.